Hey, I'm back with a new video of my Fit. This is the SRT2 and it is a day old starting now. I have gotten a few new things for it. I have gotten a red Shadow Consperacy Barends. If I bring it into the light, a Macneal stem. If you guys can see that, I don't know how it'll be. Just put this back. I have gotten Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Alright, they're clear. No back end. I've gotten the Duo Royal Gold Seatpost clamp, a black Shadow Consperacy Seatpost, and a Duo Pivotal seat. It is a fairly nice seat. The bike weighs 24.2 pounds. It is a 20.5 frame. Everything like the forks, handlebars are stock, grips are stock, crank and sprocket are stock. I'm planning to upgrade the chain and sprocket soon. Dropouts are 14mm. I was pretty mad about that, but I kind of got over it. It comes with Alianation rims, if you can see there. But other than that, it's an alright bike. It's not bad. Yeah. I have a custom sticker that I got made, put on the bottom. Just let me flip that upside down. Gnome edition. This is pretty sweet. There's a cassette hub in the back. If you can hear that. Integrated headset. The decals I don't really like that came on the bike. Fit stock crank, which I hear they're pretty bad, and I know they're bad because I've bent a crank on this bike on my old Fit. That was pretty much the same crank. The sprockets are pretty good, but I'd prefer you get a new one. The chains are weak. It's just a KMC chain. I'd replace it with a half-link chain. But from what I have here, sorry about the lighting, but from what I have here, the bike is pretty good. I'd show you what outside look like, but it's night and it is winter. So therefore, I cannot ride. But that is my bike. Comment, subscribe, appreciate. It's pretty clean too. Yeah, I got the stock Fit bars, I forgot to add that. 9-tooth cassette, 25-tooth sprocket. I don't know what else I'm missing, but it's a pretty good bike. And I hope you like it. I will be upgrading a whole bunch of stuff soon and be posting a new video. So, yeah, like I said, comment, subscribe, appreciate. And that is everything. Thank you for watching. This is Gnome Presents Stuff on YouTube.